Let's say we want to keep track the happenings in the server, such as the number of connections and the data that we send back to the client. So let's add more codes for that. Okay, we declare one variable to keep track of the total requests. We name it as total requests and initialize it to 0. Okay, so this is counter to keep track the number of requested connection. And then we need to update the display of our server-side application. So we do it after we close the socket. Here, update the request status. So we call the method in server frame, call update request status. Okay, so what we do is we say that data sent to the client, then plus current date, and we update more status. Request status, set connection to the from the client, total requests equal to plus total requests. Okay, this is too long, and okay, so we have everything here. Save it, and this is our server-side application.